Hello, welcome, dear friends. Today I will give you some safety tips. Never trust internet world. Don't post your personal emails, address, and mobile numbers in your profile. Don't post your and your family pictures of any social network. Before confirming friend requests, check them thoroughly. If you visit cybercafe till you sign out, don't leave the cabin. Don't get involved in internet world. Think 10 times before post your photo on any social network site. Share this knowledge to your loved ones. Thank you.